In this video, you'll learn how to use the mirror command to create a set of copied and mirrored objects in Fusion 360. The mirror command in the design workspace creates a set of identical faces, features, bodies, or components that are relative to a plane or planar face and can really help speed up your workflow. In this first example, we want to mirror this driven gear and combine it into one single body. First, go to the Create drop-down in the Solid tab, then click on the mirror command. The mirror dialog box that appears presents you with three options. The first is to select the type, which is either the faces, bodies, features, or components. As you want to mirror this body, select Body from the drop-down, then click on the object itself. The third option is asking you to select a mirror plane, which can be a plane or a planar face. Click on the Mirror Plane select box, rotate the view, then select the face. You may now notice we have a fourth option in the dialog box. This is because the mirrored component has adjacent faces, and therefore gives us the opportunity to either join into one body or create a new one. Leave as joined for now and press OK. Now you can see we have created a mirrored feature that is contained within a single body. Now I want to show you when you might want to create a new body instead of combining. In this example, you're going to mimic the water inlet outlet on the right hand side to be on the left hand side. Go ahead and bring up the mirror command again, this time by pressing S on your keyboard to bring up the search tool, then search for mirror. Click on the command and you'll see the same dialog box as before. In the browser tree, you may notice that we are now working with components, not bodies, so make sure Components is selected from the drop-down menu. For the object, you can select this existing component, and again, click on the Mirror Plane Select button, and this time select the origin plane. As this assembly was built directly in the center of our origin, we know that the mirror command will produce a result of equal length on the opposite side. This is something to keep in mind when mirroring off planes. As you can see, you have now successfully mirrored the water inlet outlet with a new component in your browser tree. Now you know how to use the basic features in the mirror command, you can start creating mirrored objects in your own designs within Fusion 360. Thanks for watching.